Hi, this is Hamza from Contember, and today I want to show you our new simple B2B CRM template and how you can make it yours with our AI editor. What we're looking at the moment is the editor with the CRM template already opened. I'm looking at the deal flow, and on the left side there's a panel where I can ask AI to make changes to the application. Uh, Before we jump into that, let me just quickly walk you through all the features that the CRM has. So, what's here is settings. I've got some branches, I've got employees, I've got my profile, and I've got countries and regions, basically very simple settings. I've got all the companies that I'm working with. I've got contacts for those companies which are currently empty. I don't have anything put in yet. And I've got the deal flow itself. In the deal flow, I can make stuff like changing the stage of the deal. Obviously, I can open detail. I've got some summary of the deal here. I can edit very quickly all the stuff. I've got contacts about the company. I've got some qualification source, and I can add some notes like, hello there. This is not some web-coded prototype. This is an application ready to go and serve in your company tomorrow. It's built with our open source Contember framework. So all the security and deployment stuff are already solved, and you can just start using that. But obviously, there are some details that you might want to have differently. And this is where our AI editor comes in. So you open the template and you start making changes. Let me just show you a few examples of what the editor can do. By the way, we are keen to hear your feedback. The editor is currently in beta, and you can try it yourself. Just head to contember.com. Let's make some changes with the editor. One of the things that I don't like here is this next step section. Currently, I have to edit it through this pop-up, and I don't like that because it's slow. I would like to edit it right away here. So let's ask the editor to do that. Please change the next steps section, only that one, uh, to so I can edit the values right here on this page, not in the dialog. It's actually useful to say exactly what you want to do and then what you don't want to do. It works pretty much as a developer. So if you give a too broad description of the task, it can do a lot of different stuff that you might not want to. Obviously, you can revert files in the editor, so you can go back, but it's useful to be as specific as possible. What the editor can do is it actually knows a lot of stuff about Contember, so it can go and safely implement the change that you want to do. As you can see, it's looking into the code base, it's looking for the files and understanding what we're trying to do and how these stuff are done in Contember. Contember takes care of security and all these stuff, so it's quite safe to make changes using the AI. And it's done. As you can see, here's the form. I can make changes. I can do stuff like this, and there's save button where I can save save the data. Next change that I would like to do is that here in qualification I've got sales qualification score, and I would like to show it in the header because that's actually quite useful information. Please show sales qualification score in the header, probably before close date. So it's starting working again. Um, Understand that the sales qualification score is an enum in the database, and it's looking how to work with that and how to best put it into the header. Okay, and here we go. It did the change, and here I can currently see the qualification high. As the editor is making my screen quite small, it doesn't look super nice. I would then check it on the larger screen, which is probably where most of my users will use that, and if that works. But if I change it here to a medium, we can see that it's changed here right away, so it's connected to the data and everything. Okay, and maybe one more example. Um, Here in the company's detail, I got informations about the company, but currently I'm showing also the data that are not filled, and I kind of don't like the table, so let's change that. Uh, Please don't in company detail don't show uh, fields that don't have field value. So again, I try to be as specific as possible. So explaining that I want to work with company details and that I don't want to show the empty lines basically. And let's let the editor work on that. As we can see, this is a bit more complicated task. So what it's doing that it actually wrote itself a conditional property, basically a component in React, because Contember is written in React in part, and now it's applying the component to the file. And as we can see, the property item was changed to conditional property item, and the fields are away. You could do a lot more stuff with the editor. I invite you to try it yourself, and I'm keen to hear your feedback. I'll be back with more videos in a day or two. Let me know what you would like to change with the editor, how it went, and maybe we can address some of those stuff in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day.